Oh, hello everyone. So, you actually realize that this game jam ends tonight at 7 p.m. is like 000 UTC, July 24th, which is actually like 7 p.m. today Eastern Time. So, I don't know. I'm going to do a little bit more work on it and then just call it done because, yeah, I'm not going to be able to do much in a day. I did like 2 hours earlier today. I think it turned out it's looking pretty good. I think I just need to add some enemies and do a little bit of polish. I don't know if I'm going to add music or anything, but yeah, if I just add some spawning enemies, I'm not going to get the scrolling or the camera working like I wanted to, but yeah, if I could just get the enemies spawning, I'm going to call it done. I think I wanted to add like some sidewalls. I wish I had a cheap and easy way to do like a rocky texture, but let me get enemies adding first. So I want to create a 3D object. I'll go ahead and use another capsule collider. This can be enemy. I don't know if I want to have the enemies take multiple hits or just die in one hit. I should have like an enemy kill counter too. I was going to check on that 2D view as well when I'm displaying the values. So let's go back here. I may use the same model for the enemy that I'm using for the player. That would make things a lot simpler. So models. I think I may have to re-hook these guys up. Maybe, I'm not sure. So yeah, let's move the enemy to 000. Let's move the collider, let's move the collider up one. Let's delete the mesh renderer. Okay. Looks pretty good. So yeah, just have to ignore player right there. It's the enemy. So prefab. I wonder how the enemy will know which person to attack. Or just pick a person randomly. That's an interesting problem. Which of the two? I guess they'll just pick the closest one, maybe. Yeah, I'll get a list of each of the players, find both players, and whichever one's closest, then attack them. So enemy, player, need another material. Create material, matte, enemy. I guess the enemy will be green, or darkish type green. Looks good right there. Drag that on the player. Need an enemy script, create. C#. Enemy. Let's go ahead and start this guy. Oh. I just haven't really had time to work on this game jam at all. Just kind of got smushed in between the other two. And eye health gets 3. So on update, move towards player, private void, move towards player. Is there like a find game objects with component? Game object obj players gets game object dot find game objects of type? No. I want to find game objects with component. Player. Can I do that? Objects. Find objects of type. Player. But that's a component. I don't know if that'll return anything or not. So I'm going to do debug. The good thing is I'm learning something here. Players plus gobj players dot length. So I want to drag the enemy script on the enemy. Player. Any game object. That's interesting. Players. Will that work? So I want to drag the enemy script to enemy. Then I want to drag the enemy to prefabs. I can delete this enemy. Level manager. Want to edit the script. Float spawn countdown. F spawn countdown gets 5. Let's make it 3. F spawn countdown subtract and assign time delta time. If F spawn countdown is less than or equal to 0, then spawn enemy. F spawn countdown gets spawn time. Const float spawn enemy spawn time gets 3F. Enemy spawn time. Enemy spawn time. Private void spawn enemy. Instantiate public game object enemy prefab. Enemy prefab. This is going to be a new vector 3. So this is going to be random dot range. I always forget which one to use. Like one's deprecated and one's not. -5 to 5. 0F. 10F. So it's going to instantiate a new enemy every 3 seconds. They're going to collide on top of each other. Oh no. Oh, I never did. Pull in my enemy prefab. Like, so many little things you gotta remember to do. Could just have them walk straight forward. Oh, it is like randomly putting them in random places. Should do like 9 to 9. Oh, it did pick up both players. So enemy. For I get 0, I is less than players.length. Int I closest gets -1. I don't know if I want to do this every frame. Maybe check like every 5 seconds or so, see if there's anybody else closer. I don't know. Float F distance. Maybe I should do a game object GOBJ target gets null. If F distance is less, something weird's going on there. It's less than players I dot game object dot transform dot position. Oh, wait a second. Vector 3 dot distance between game object dot transform dot position. So it's going to find the closest person. GOBJ target gets player's eye object. Float new distance to object shortest distance. F distance to object gets this. If F shortest distance. Well, if GOBJ target is null, then GOBJ target gets game object transform, no, player's eye dot game object. Else if shortest distance. I wish there was a way to specify like infinity. Is there like a mathf infinity? And yeah, mathf infinity. Shortest distance is less than, wait a second, F shortest distance. Wait. Shortest if distance to object is less than shortest distance, then game object target players I game object. And then F shortest distance gets F distance to object. Game object transform dot look at GOBJ target. There's a way to keep the vector 3 dot up. Why is this complaining? Transform position. Game object transform translate. Vector 3 dot forward? Not forward. Got up, right. Oh, I guess it is forward. I was thinking right, forward. Times time dot delta time. Times, and I need a speed. Crap. Float F speed. Let's make them 3. Oh, space dot self. This is going to be like the 1 hour game jam. Oh man. Did I forget a semicolon? Or an extra parentheses? Oh, what is this? This object. Okay. So he's after him. Well, if he gets closer, they're all just always after him. They're all about red. They aren't even thinking about blue. Why aren't they thinking about blue? Maybe I should just have them pick a random person. Oh, I never did set this. Shortest distance gets distance to object. So that needs to be set no matter what. Okay, so now, no, is he after blue? Yeah, he's after blue. Oh man, now I'm confused. Now they're falling off the edge of the world. That's interesting. Oops. Should have a wall. See if I can add a wall real quick. Open ground 7 cycles. I never did. Image texture ground. Why isn't this displaying? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, I can't edit vertices. Okay. Let me think here. Wish I could extrude both ways. Extrude X minus 5. Extrude X 5. So I want these, and I want these. Oops. Did that do what I wanted it to do? Oh man. Stop. I want these. I want these. So I want a GZ4. GZ10. That's good. Maybe I should have unwrapped those before I moved them up. Oh well. Do faces. UV editing. Mesh, UV unwrap, project from view. So I want to scale these up. I want to move this one pretty much over that one. Oops. Rotate 90. Move this up here. Okay, that's pretty good. Image, UV, export UV layout. Layout ground. Export. Now it's going to get the colors too. That's okay. File, open, layout ground. Oh, it didn't get the background colors. That's interesting. File, open. Texture ground. So all I need to do is copy this over my existing layout. Anchor that. Turn it back on. Really need to move this downward. It's okay though. Black. Let's move this up. Okay. Edit. Fill. Filters. Let's add some noise. Saturation noise. Okay. Filters. I think mosaics. Yeah. That looks good. Why does that look all yellowy? I don't want yellow. Yeah, I don't want that. So I want to add a layer. Move it down. Edit. Fill with. There we go. File, save. File, export as texture ground. Yeah, it isn't the greatest, but it's something. Image, reload. So now it has sides, gravelly sides. File, save. So now in the game it has sides. So I want to add a couple more boxes. Physics. Can I add two this way? I think I can. Size. Yeah. So I'm going to be 10. Y. Go ahead and put this as 10 too. X position 10. Actually, it'll probably be 10.5. Y 5. Copy. This will be negative 10.5. Apply. Yeah, so now I can't walk off the side. I like that because now this guy will snap onto him. They can still walk off the edge of the earth. So I need to put up some invisible walls. Walls. Add physics box. So I need this to be 10 by 10 and make this 20 maybe? No. 1. Z position is going to be 10. Copy. Paste this new. So this is going to be -5, I don't know. So I don't need this maximized every time. Ooh, that's not right. Oh man. Walls. So Z10 is right. X needs to be 20. It still seems to be off. Maybe this part right here is off. Yeah, that's off too. Wow. Now it's all flubbed up. 0, 0, 0. Yeah, too bad I can't copy two component values at the same time. So both of these need to be x20. I can't control it. Wow, it's like completely inside. I guess those guys need colliders too. Physics, rigid body. Whoa. School bus is like hauling tail down the road. Okay, so now they bounce. But at least they don't push the wall out of the way. So there's one wall. So the wall isn't quite far back enough yet. Minus. Oh, maybe this should be. I like it how it pushes these guys off. That's nice. Oh man. Whew. Yeah, I think I need to call this one short and get some sleep. Make a little army guy. But yeah, no, I can't fall off, which is good. Should make the background like green or something. Let's give these guys some health. Okay. Public void on collision. Enter. Oh, at least I have the IntelliSense now for these. That's nice. I don't think it had that before. You had to always figure out the names yourself. If... Did that type thing work? Yeah, find objects of type. Looks like it would be find objects of component or something, but oh well. I'm not arguing. Collision... If... Collision dot... Game object? Dot... Is there a type? Get type? Can I use is? Bullet. I wonder if that would work. I wonder if this will work. Game object get type is bullet. Does that work? System type. If can I do a double equal? Destroy game object. I think I gotta do is. Still complaining. Give an expression provided. I don't understand. I don't know if I can do get component. Or if there's a has component. Has. No. Get component. Bullet. Does not equal null. Unity check if game object has component. Okay, that's what I did. Get component does not equal null. Whoa. Yay. I should like start increasing the rate of fire. So it's almost a game now. I health, subtract and assign 1. Could do minus minus. If, no, destroy collision dot game object. If I health is less than or equal to 0, The reason I'm doing less than or equal, just in case you get a power bonus or something and the damage of a bullet increases, then this will handle both cases. Any case below 0. Enemy dead. Or do enemy dead. I'll go ahead and make this do enemy dead. So for now, we're just going to destroy game object. Be nice if they changed colors or something as they got weaker. Yeah, after I finish this, I'm going back to sleep. So I want to try to finish this off pretty quickly. I need to increase the rate. Go ahead and make this a public. And I kill count. I kill count gets 0. So enemy game object dot find level manager dot get component level. I'm gonna assume it has the component manager. I kill count plus plus. I like it how it follows the closest guy. That's pretty cool. There really isn't any reason to let off the guns, though. That's the only bad thing. If I can no longer fall off the world, that's good. So, UI, I want to do text, yeah, text. I need a font too. Kills text. So this is what I was wondering, can I go to 2D view? This would be nice if I can go to 2D view right here. It's kind of what I want. It's still way too big. Can't see everything. So this is sort of what I want, but it's still... Yeah, I never thought about doing that. Okay. I learned something else. I can click the 2D view to go directly, and I don't have to try to manage this in the 3D world. Which is what I tried to do in the past, and always looks pretty bad. Fonts. Tools. See what we have under C. Crap. Let's go back and look at M for military. Where's the side pane? Preview pane. That looks good right there. That's what we're going with. M61 Delco, whatever. It looks good to me. So kills text. Use the M51 Delco, whatever. Oh, I forgot about this stupid overflow garbage. It's like, just make it default to overflow. Really. I wonder if I should have a separate kills for red and blue. I don't know. I think I'm going to put kills in blue. Then the number in red. That'd be pretty cool. Then I need to... It's like, just add the stupid border by default. Why wouldn't you want a border? That's what I want to know. And it'd be nice if I could add both of these at the same time. So this will be... Dude. 4... 4... 2... 2... I don't know if I want separate red kills and blue kills or not. I don't think so. I want to duplicate this. This will be kills text value. Oh, crud. Oh, I need to move this over. Oh, this isn't too bad. But I do need to fix this. Scale factors, scale with screen size. 1920 by 1080. So now it's like way too small. Wish this would move faster. So I want to drag both of these up here. What? Horizontal? Oh, I bet it's trying to read stupid stuff. I don't want to use horizontal and... I don't need this. Go ahead and make this red. Yeah, I didn't know that was set up like that. It is kind of patriotic, like red, white, and blue. I just don't have the white. Oh well. But the blue is kind of dark. I really don't see the drop shadow. Not much. I see the outline. So, level manager. Let's go to the script. Update UI. I don't think that's reserved or anything. Public void update UI. Game object find kill. Is it kill or kills? Kills text value. Dot get component. And I gotta import using Unity engine.ui. So this will be a text. Text T. T dot text gets. This is a. Can I do string? And then I kill count. Is that how you do a string the right way? It doesn't look like it. Oh, or do you call toString on it? ToString. I'll try to do it the nice and pretty way. Typically, I would do double quote plus, then the int value. Level manager 3918. Update UI. Oh. I wish I had GarageBand on here. 1 kill, 2 kills, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, they need to start speeding up. That's what they need to start doing. Level manager. Spawn time minus I kill count. This should be a float. Cast it as a float. Times 0.1 F. I wonder if I can do a clamp on that. Math F dot clamp. Between 0.5 and 3. I just don't need to go below 0.5. I should have it if they touch you, you automatically die. That'd be just like Ikari Warriors. So where's my enemy? So this is a way of doing this without using stupid tags, which I can't stand tags. So if the component is an enemy, I'm just going to completely destroy myself. Game object. And level manager. Well, let's see if this works. Oh no, I only got the one eagle. Only one eagle left. Uh-oh. Enemy moves towards player. If G obj target does not equal null. So in level manager, you can use the same get count. Check game over. Private void check game over. If players.length equals 0. I don't know if there's like a time before the game is started that I have to worry about. I don't know. I want to grab this. Duplicate. Duplicate? There it goes. Game over text 1. See if this is complaining yet. Still got one, still got one. No! So enemies should stop spawning. Bool is game over. Is game over gets false. If not is game over. I like how it indented everything for me. That should be a public, so anybody can check and see if the game is over. Is game over gets true. Game object find. Game over text. Dot enabled. Set active true. I have text 1 and 2. The blue is a little bit too dark, I think. So yeah, at least it has a game over state now. Why doesn't this focus? So this will be game. Make it a little bit bigger. Duplicate. Move this over. This will be red. The red just looks a little bit more bold than the blue. Game over. So these are both going to be disabled. But I can't find them if they're not enabled. That's what the problem is, I think. The game object find won't find those. And that should be game over text too. I could just do a new canvas. Well, look at that. They both shoot. I didn't know. That's odd. Yeah, so it can't find them. I need to disable the mouse. So you forget about all these other little stupid things. Fire red, fire blue. Okay, so what am I going to do here? I think I'm going to make a new canvas. I want to duplicate this canvas. I don't know, because if I I won't be able to find it either way. And I hate to drag it in and set it in the inspector. I hate doing that. I'd rather almost just like plop in the text, almost. Game over canvas. Okay, there we go. Get more text. Dot get component text dot enabled gets true. So component uses dot enabled, but a game object uses set active. I'm getting tired now. 2 p.m. I'm going to be done with this. Boop. I'm going to kill this guy. Boop. Game over. Let's do some sound effects. I'm almost done with this. I still got to do a character. But I think I'd rather have sound effects. It's like too high. Which is... That sounds good. Ah, crud. Bullet. Enemy dead. Player dead. Bullet. Enemy dead. Player dead. Oh, I need a... Where's enemy dead? Enemy hit. So got gun shooting, enemy hit, enemy dead, player dead. And I need to fix. Let's see how this sounds. Player dead.wav. Go away! Sheesh. Sound effects. Sound bullet. Sound enemy dead. Sound enemy hit. Sound player dead. Game object. Find sound player dead. Dot get component audio source dot play. I don't need play on awake. Why did they set that to default? It's so annoying. Okay. Did I save? No, I didn't save. Should have done the gun first. Need to take out that debug. So this is a simple, pretty simple game for a little over 3 hours. I don't know how well I'm going to do on my player models. So I can just copy this. So bullet, where's the bullet code? So when the bullet's instantiated, I'm going to play. Oh crap. Sound bullet. Is that what it is? Sound bullet? Yes. Enemy. Sound. Enemy dead. Else. Sound enemy hit. I think I need to turn down the rate of fire a little bit. Const float bullet cooldown gets 0.2. Bullet cooldown. Bullet cool. Crap! Bullet cooldown. So I pulled that into a constant. So I just have to change it at one place now. It's like, oh no, he's in trouble! trouble now. That's actually pretty fun. I need to put my copyright text. Maybe it always does switch to the 2D view and I just never noticed it whenever I edit text. Copyright text 1 2017. Gonna be so much smaller. Copyright text 2. So wrong putting my name in red. Really bothers me, but oh well. Should make these guys fade in. $38 kills. I like it. I just need a player model now. I don't know what this guy's going to look like. I think I want him to be sort of Lego-like. Can have like a flat top. This is like every other single character I've made for all of my other games. Okay, something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just something. It's like, what do I want to start out with? A cube? I don't know. Where is it? There it is. So this only needs to be 2 units tall. Oops. I don't know why they started out at 10. That's kind of crazy. That's about right. It's going to look more like a robot than anything else, I think. Wonder if I should have started out with a... If I should have started out with a sphere or something. Oh well. I think this guy's going to be way off. Smooth this over a bit more. I do need to cut this up the middle. I definitely don't want to... Oh wow, this is way too big. Scale Y. X. GX. GX. GZ. GX. Control R. GX. Extrude. Extrude. Rotate. Rotate. It's gonna look like a gingerbread man or something. I don't know. GX. 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 Go ahead. But I don't want this one to be down the center. Crap. downward, extrude. I want to get the front side. Extrude Y. So he's going to be like a really blocky dude. There we go. Scale Y. A little bit bulkier up here. Top is fine. Arms need to be a little bit skinnier. Scale Y. Oops. Looks pretty good. Pull this out. I don't care if he's blocky. Pull that out. Pull this out. The simpler, the better, if you ask me. It's going to be a very, very simple model. Okay. File, save as, player. It's 2 o'clock. I'm going to do one simple animation. Call it quits. There he is. Mirror. Wish there was like a safe backup command. Okay. I want to check these vertices on this guy. Do I need to combine verts? If I click there. Oh, looks like it combined them pretty well. That's actually a pretty decent model for a 5-minute job. I'm kind of impressed with that. Add. Oops. Where's my armature? Add. Where's... I forgot how to add a bone. Bones. Mesh. I forgot how to add a bone. And how do I do the X-ray? Where's the armature posing tools? I forgot how to add a bone. Unless they changed this. I forgot how to add a bone. There it is. Wait, armature, single bone. There we go. I was about to say. I need to turn on the X-ray stuff. Oh, I just saw it. I turned it off. X-ray. There we go. Edit. GZ. GZ. It's right in the center. Then, where's the X-axis mirror? There we go. On a shifty. Easy. Shifty. That was like a quick 2-minute rig. Definitely want to rename these guys. Crud. Why is this so small? Okay. Why doesn't it show me which one's selected? Head. Crap. Arm. Hand. Arm. Hand R. Leg L. Foot L. Leg R. Foot R. Okay. Control P. I had that memorized with automatic. So I'm going to go into pose mode. Posy, 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 posy. Look at that. That's a pretty decent job, I think, for 5 minutes. File, save. Animation. I think I'm just going to have one. I'm not even going to worry about speed and all that nonsense. Let's make this 30 frames. Or no, 24. Let's do 24. So 12 is half. I wish I could rotate both of these. R20. R20? No, R minus 20. R90? No. R60. R negative 60. R negative 60. Okay. So there he is standing still. Select all. I want to do this automatic keyframe, location and rotation. I'm going to do an I. I'll move this to 24. Do an I. Well, no. This would be the standing pose. I don't know. Should I do standing and walking? I guess I'm going to do standing and walking. I. Let's go to 12. Do a little bit RX. Do a head bob. My classic head bob. I. So this is going to be my classic action editor. Standing. Standing animation. Force. I don't know why it creates like standing 2 and all that. Unforce that. File, save. So now I need a new one. Pose. I think I'm going to leave that like that. Let's go back to the first frame. Okay, see if I can do this right. Rotate. Rotate X. Rotate X. Rotate X. He'll be marching. It's kind of like a march right there. Insert keyframe. Crap. Walking. Force. So I'm going to do the copy. Copy current pose. Move here. Paste. Insert. Let's see if I can do the flip. Right arm first. Yeah, I don't understand. This is a poorly worded. Paste the stored pose on the current pose. Flipped is true. But why doesn't it say that? You actually gotta read that. Okay. So I want to do a little bit of a head bob or X. I. Play. So there he is marching. My box-headed guy. So that's walking. It's forced. Standing. This has got the weirdest control scheme. Walking. There's like no save for animation. You just can force or not force. Standing. I wonder if I can pull his whole body down. I don't have like the inverse kinematics set up and everything. Yeah, if I had inverse kinematics, then the legs would bend. But the legs don't bend. Rotate 20. Rotate 10. Rotate minus 10. I. File, save. And close this. Wait. So I messed up. Well, did I? Did that save over the player that I already had? Because I had that cylinder before, but I don't think I worked from the cylinder. That's what the problem is. I should have worked from the cylinder. So I got oh, I need to smooth him out. Oops. Now he's smooth. Crap. I don't think I should have done that. No, he should be smooth. I wonder if I'm going to have to reset all those prefabs. I hate doing that. See, like the prefab still has the old enemy. Well, no, it looks like the new one there, but it doesn't display there. Well, let's run and find out. Oh, it does have the new ones. It just doesn't have the animations yet. They sort of look like Martians. Why did it open this up? Legacy. Standing. Walking. Loop. Loop. Yeah, I'm not using Mechanum or any of that crazy stuff for this one. I always forget how to set this up. I don't think I need animator. I think I need animation. It's like so confusing. It's the one with play automatically. Got two animations, standing and walking. Oh crud. I didn't apply. Why isn't it automatically playing? Turn this animator back on. Apply. That's interesting. Wish it would quit opening up Blender. Okay, I got two animations. What if I just pull a plain player in? So he's standing right. So he's got an animation, standing, size 2, standing, and walking. Play automatically. So I'm going to pull in prefab, my prefab player. Get rid of the animator. Standing. Walking. Two animations. Walking, play automatically. based on renderers. Culling. Oh, maybe that's what's different. Apply. I don't know what culling type is. Oh no! Why? They're all dead. No. I don't understand this. It's like if I have a player here with an animation, it works. Can I copy this? Copy component, player, player. Remove. Now this one doesn't have a mesh renderer. It just has an animation. Mesh. Player. Oh. Oh, look at all this. It doesn't have armature and the bones. This is the stuff that it's missing. I wonder if I can just copy the armature to my player object. Yeah, I'm going to do this the right way. I'm going to delete player. Yes. I'm going to get my player model and drag him in here. So yeah, it didn't have the armature gunk in there, that's why. But now the textures are hosed. So now this is all hosed. I'll just call this mesh. Player mesh. So now I gotta fix the code. This is where it gets to start to be a headache. But since I don't have too much code, player mesh. Crap. Red player. Player mesh. Oh, there we go. So here's the annoying part. It's like having to go back and fix these guys. Why do I still have that other guy there? Oh. Let me delete that one. Enemy. So yeah, this just has player. So I need models, the player, new player model. So I think if I edited it from here, it would have applied the settings, but since I made a new player Blender model, that's why I didn't get the update, so that's my fault. Materials, matte enemy, oops. Go ahead and call this enemy mesh. Apply. They do kind of snap on to the other guy. It's a real pain to get the velocity of an object. It's not straightforward. It's almost like where I need the mechanism stuff to determine the object speed. Transform. If in if if vect move dot x is less than 0.1f and vect move dot z is less than 0.1. Actually, I should do an equal. Equals 0. I don't know. Will it ever like reach 0 exactly? I don't know if that'll work or not. Game object dot get component. So I got player. Where is the animation? Okay, it's on player. Game object get dot find player dot get component animation dot play standing else dot transform else play walking. I don't think that'll ever like exactly hit 0. Oh. It is hitting 0, exactly. Maybe I will do music, because this is, I don't know. I might do music later. It's 4 hours. I'm kind of ready to be done with this. Okay, I think I'm done. I may work on this a little bit more later in the week, but I'm declaring this the official Game Jam version. I don't have a title screen. I don't feel like making a title screen for it. I need to add open scenes. Oh, default stack's 8664. That's interesting. Okay, I'll take it. I get to use my handy dandy Butler script. Okay, I think I'm done. No. So I'm going to go into... What's the last thing I was working on? My Sky Combat. I don't want to deal with this. Copy this. I want to edit this. So I want to, I think I can disable like that, right? So I actually have to create this project first. Let's play it. So do they really need to change the splash screen every single time? I'm not crazy about the way they do that shadowing. Oh, there's no way to exit. Oh well. I guess I should add a way to exit. But is key get key down key code escape. I don't know if this is the correct new way to do it. I know a lot of that application load level and stuff doesn't work anymore. Well, I think it's enough to like officially call it a game. It has an end state, it doesn't have a win state. It has a score. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some screenshots. Crap. Where's my fraps? This fraps not running. Great. Why am I not seeing fraps? There it is. Okay, that's great. Oh, escape. Yay, quits now. Okay, so I think I'm done with the game. I just need to create the project on itch.io and create the page on Ludum Dare. So I'm sure nobody really wants to see that, but it should be on my itch.io page here in a little bit. By the time the video gets uploaded and everything, it should be on my GA Tech Grad itch.io, GaTech Grad itch.io up here. So check it out. Hopefully I'll be able to come back to this one later, but I got the basic concept that I wanted to test, which was like getting one character on one stick and the other character on the other stick and shooting with the bumper buttons. So I think it's a success as far as like testing out that new mechanic, and I think it works out pretty well. Or you could actually play it as a two-player game, so I think it turned out pretty good. So anyway, I appreciate everyone watching. I'll be back, maybe back later this week, but definitely I'll be working on Ludum Dare this weekend, so I'll try to be on streaming Friday or definitely Saturday and Sunday next weekend. But I'll probably be back playing games, something, during the week. So anyway, appreciate everyone watching.